I would like to invite Shri Vikram Singh ji, retired IPS, on the dais, please. Can we also have his profile on the screen, please?
Dr. Vikram Singh, former Director General of Police, Uttar Pradesh. Dr. Vikram Singh, former IPS officer of the 1974 batch, served as the Director General of Police, Uttar Pradesh, the largest police force in the world. He is one of India's most decorated police officers. He is one of India's highly decorated police officers, honored with multiple President's Police Medals for gallantry, distinguished service and meritorious service. Known for his fearless leadership against terrorism and organized crime, he led transformative modernization efforts in policing. A PhD in ecology, Dr. Singh has mentored 13 doctoral scholars and authored significant works such as Ecosystems of Central Himalayas and ISIS and ISIS, the Black Canopy of Mental Slaughter. Currently, the Chancellor of Noida International University. He is also a celebrated speaker at global think tanks, universities and corporate summits. Featured in the Limca Book of Records as India's most decorated police officer, his legacy is one of courage, intellect and reform. Please welcome on stage a warrior, a scholar, a visionary, Dr. Vikram Singh.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Esteemed Mr. Nishant Gupta ji, Mr. Pankaj ji in absentia, but wherever he is, the heart's language knows no barriers wherever he is. I'm sure he will receive my greetings, and to each one of you, truly blessed. I myself am a PhD in ecology and have guided research in ecology. So this topic of cooling, global warming are very dear to my heart. I have been allotted 30 minutes, but I don't have such a long message and I don't intend. I'm very concerned about your human rights. I don't believe in holding you hostage for 30 minutes. But yes, less, around 10 minutes only. We started late, but I intend bridging that gap and being a buffer so that the rest of the program of the day fall into place. We will first see that how really truly blessed all of you are, that the icons of the industry, the true icons of the industry for whom if you had to meet, Mr. Lalwani for one, Mr. Pankaj Dharkar, Mr. Hafiz Contractor, you would have had to wait for at least a month to get an appointment. But to see the giants and the icons of the industry face to face, and hear the words when they emerge from the lips of the hero, you really have to be truly blessed, and I congratulate the organizers of the Cool Conference, the people who have worked day and night, burned the midnight oil to make this grand success possible. Success never came at bargain prices. This was almost a technical presentation made for students of postgraduate classes, but I won't bore you with that. Don't look at the watch. I intend relieving you much earlier. You will see for yourself that every ecosystem, including the one in this room, has an innate property of resilience that is known as homeostasis. That every ecosystem has several components. One is biotic, the other is abiotic, the living and the non-living. And as Mr. Hafiz Contractor ji elucidated yesterday, that we have plundered so much of natural wealth that there is very little left for the successive generations. True or false? Wonderful. When I used to go to Nainital, Mussoorie, Kulu, Manali, as a student, I used to wear warm clothing in May and June. Warm clothing. And today you have to have air conditioners even in the month of October, November. This is what we have done to our hill stations. We have plundered the natural wealth, denuded the forests by the timber mafia, as also the wildlife. Very soon, at least 3,000 species will no longer exist in our lifetime, because either we will eat them up, export them, or perhaps bring them on the verge of extinction. How is it related? Everything in nature is closely intertwined, so that one thing leads to the other. If I were to harm you, it's a different matter if I were to be able to harm you or not. But one thing is sure, that I will be chopping at my own roots before that. Even if I think, as the Buddha said, when you hold coal in your hands, it's a different matter whether you'd be able to burn the other person. But one thing is guaranteed, that you will burn yourself. This is the age-old lesson that we must learn, that I go back to Mr. K.S. Ram's article when he said many years ago that all earth has to be earned through dharma. All wealth has to come from righteous living. The moment we decide to plunder Mother Earth, we actually indulge in unearth. That earth is not earth. That is not real wealth. That is Kala Lakshmi, a wealth that will bring destruction. As you will see that 2024, when you started your first conclave in Jaipur, you would see that that was one of the warmest years that planet Earth had seen in many, many, many centuries also. Why? The global warming, the release of greenhouse gases, the greenhouse impact, and the concomitant result, annual increase of global temperature to almost about 1.5 degrees. Leading to what? Glacier melting, floods, flash floods, tsunamis, and wanton destruction of nature of the magnitude that we could never have imagined. Now, knowledge is instant global advantage. Knowledge is instant global advantage, and I'm so happy that the first presentation made during the day focused on empowering, educating the people. Our youth, and I'm happy to place on record that whereas others have spoken out of knowledge, I would speak out of ignorance, and I'm speaking out of ignorance. There is thesis and there is antithesis, and from that emerges synthesis. And there is sumptuous takeaways from the brainstorming that has happened in the last 48 hours. I would say that I'm sure you'll be bringing out a compendium and things that we could do, things you grace and elegance of the words spoken by each and every person would be a roadmap to the future for us. You can see that Prime Minister Modi has guaranteed zero carbon emission by the year 2070. Mr. Pankaj Dharkar and his team, they have given a very ambitious role for the year. Pankaj Dharkar sir, आप इस महायज्ञ के प्रमुख यजमान हैं, और जब प्रमुख यजमान आ जाता है तभी यज्ञ शुरू होता है। अब यज्ञ की बात हम लोग बाद में करेंगे, पहले हम कुछ वैज्ञानिक बातें कर लें। इस ज्ञान और विज्ञान से पंकज धारकर साहब आपने सबको मृत्युंजय बना दिया है, और मृत्युंजय बनने के लिए कुछ तपश्चर्य जीवन में आना चाहिए। भोग विलास से कोई महान नहीं बना है, भोग विलास का अपना स्थान है, और हम बताएंगे कि आपने इस सभागार को यज्ञशाला बना दिया है। और यज्ञशाला कैसे बनाया है? आप सब प्रमुख यजमान के साथ साथ यज्ञ में एक पुनीत कर्तव्य के तहत आप आहुति देंगे, और कैसे देंगे दृष्टांत के रूप में मैं बताऊंगा. आई विल टेल यू एंड एक्सप्लेन हाउ इट इज गोइंग टू हैपन इन टाइम्स टू कम. 2030 is the first stop. The capacity of 500 GW of green energy is point number one. Number two is 50% of energy in renewable sources and 1 billion tons of carbon emission decline is focused, and we are already on the target. वक्त से पहले और उम्मीद से ज्यादा डिलीवर करना ये इशरे का और पंकज धारकर साहब का मिजाज है. बात कम करते हैं, डिलीवर ज्यादा करते हैं. ऐसे ही कर्मयोगों की जरूरत है. I had talked about the scientific aspects of an ecosystem, what vitiates the homeostasis of any ecosystem. But yesterday when I was sitting, we had a meditation session also, and that set me thinking, जब उद्देश्य विराट होता है तो उसके कर्म सात्विक होते हैं. You never get success at bargain prices. There has to be pain, sacrifice, and effort before you deliver anything for society, for your loved ones, and this is exactly what we are going and planning to do. HVAC industry has a key role to play to address the carbon emission, and to that extent you will see that in this there will be sumptuous takeaways for each. But when I was sitting with meditation with Mr. Pankaj Dharkar, अपनी अपनी पर्सनैलिटी होती है, अपना अपना व्यक्तित्व होता है. पंकज धारकर साहब एक सूखे पेड़ को छू दे तो वो हरा हो जाता है. एक आदमी आईसीयू में है, अगर पंकज साहब देख लें तो वो ठीक होके बाहर आ जा होता है. और कुछ हमारे ऐसे तामसिक लोग होते हैं कि हरा पेड़ देख लें तो वो सूख जाता है, और अच्छा भला आदमी बाहर है, उसको घूर दे तो वो आईसीयू में चला जाता है. तो होशियार को इशारा काफी है, एंड आई विल स्टॉप एट दैट. Yesterday was a game-changing event for me when I sat in meditation, because sitting next to Mr. Pankaj Dharkar was meditation itself. I charged my batteries, and believe you me, जब आत्मा तृप्त होती है तो शरीर भी तृप्त होता है. I did not have lunch, I did not have dinner, and I was full of energy even by 12 at night, sir. So this is the power of meditation and prayer, sir. और प्रत्येक पूजा के साथ साथ अगर आप देखें, I go back into the spiritual aspects. Somebody said, a war is not won by the mightiest force. A war is won by the force that has the highest spiritual depth. And this is not said by any padri, any pandit ji, or any priest. This is said by Field Marshal General Montgomery. The spiritual content of the Uddeshya. Mahatma Gandhi, he brought the mightiest empire on the planet on its knees because of the spiritual content. And likewise, if India is to become the Vishwa Guru, I take you back to the history, because what you are planning today was visualized thousands and thousands of years ago. I take you to the Upanishadic saying, तमसो मां ज्योतिर्गमय, तमसो मां ज्योतिर्गमय. What was that? हे प्रभु, मुझे अंधकार से प्रकाश की ओर ले चलो. And what does the materialistic economy of today says? हे प्रभु, हे दुष्टात्मा, मुझे प्रकाश से अंधकार की ओर ले चलो, मुझे बार्स की तरफ ले चलो, मुझे नृत्य की ओर ले चलो. कोई बुराई नहीं है, बट व्हाट आई वॉज हिंटिंग एट, कि जो हमारा शास्त्रोचित है, प्रकाश की तरफ चलो अंधकार से. द भगवद गीता, लॉर्ड कृष्णा सेज, chapter 2, verse 69. या निशा सर्वभूतानाम तस्याम जागृत संयमी. या निशा सर्वभूतानाम तस्याम जागृत संयमी. जब संसारवासी सोता है तो आप ऐसे मनीषी एक आंख खुली रखते हैं कि तमस आपके जीवन में, so that ignorance, indolence and the negative vibrations do not enter you. This is the price you have to pay for your well-being and the well-being of your family and all your loved ones. We will go into that, but this is a very solemn duty, and I quote, it does not come easy. I said before, and I again mention, pain, sacrifice and effort would be required to attain the goal. The woods are lovely, dark and deep, but I have promises to keep and miles to go before I sleep, and miles to go before I sleep. At the end of the day, this plunder of natural wealth, this global warming, does not seem to be doing good to anyone, even to those who are plundering. I refer you to a book, a masterpiece. It was the bestseller for 40 years. Joshua Liebman, Peace of Mind. Peace of mind. It does not matter if I have 5 limousines outside my house. It does not matter if I could tell you the story of Joshua Liebman. As a young pass out of Stanford University, he went to his rabbi, the guru, and said, I want to have 5 priorities in my life, and if you could guide me having those 5 priorities. The first is to marry a film star. Second, to have 5 limousines outside. The third, to have a palatial bungalow in New York and Colorado. Fourth, to have a bank balance of at least $1 billion. The rabbi took a look at his note and just struck everything down and reduced it in 3 words. Peace of mind. Whatever gives you peace of mind is the goal that is worth striving for. Otherwise, these things don't last very long, and the honeymoon ends rather soon. I'm sure all of us have seen the world enough to realize that materialistic pleasures have a very short shelf life. This is the age-old Shanti part of our scriptures. I will go and explain in just about a couple of minutes what it means, the depth and meaning of every word that it has. Like every yagna, there are negative agents. There are negative people who will try to obstruct your path. And this Shanti part encompasses the spiritual wisdom that Bharat has. Om Deo Shanti, begin with peace. Antarik Shanti, let there be purity in the atmosphere. Let there not be greenhouse gases. Let there be not global warming. Antarik Shanti, Prithvi Shanti. Let there be peace on earth. Aushadheya Shanti, let plants and the vegetable kingdom be happy and at peace. Shanti Vishwadeva, let the entire universe be peaceful. Shanti Brahma Sarva Shanti, Shanti Deva, Om Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. It is easier said than done for any spiritual purposes, as I said before, that it is no longer just a simple scientific interaction and meeting of the best minds. It is a Yagyashala, and therefore, all of you are not only the Pramukh Yajmans, Mr. Pankaj Dharkar, as also all of you have a pious and a holy duty to perform, to give your best, so that you leave a rich legacy for the planet. And the planet richer, more green, more vibrant, and less warm. Now, you are all global warriors. And as global warriors, the frivolous things are not made for you, and you are not made for frivolous things. Am I clear, ladies and gentlemen? जंग के घोड़े बारात में नहीं नाचते हैं, युद्ध के घोड़े युद्ध के लिए बने होते हैं. आप सब योद्धा हैं और युद्ध के घोड़ों का एक पुनीत कर्तव्य होता है, और उसके लिए ये आवश्यक है कि अपने आप से आप प्रण करें। और जो स्वामी विवेकानंद ने कठोपनिषद की बात कही थी, उत्तिष्ठ जागृति प्राप्य वरा निबोधत, उठो जागो और प्राप्त करो। मैं फिर कहूंगा, आप सबका जो पुनीत कर्तव्य है एज अ वॉरियर, एज अ ग्लोबल वॉरियर, ensuring that the ecosystem retains its purity, that HVAC attains dizzy heights. There's a line by a famous शायर, वो आपके लिए है, आपकी शान में, पंकज साहब की शान में मैं कहूंगा, क्या सताएगी शिद्दत प्यास की मुझे, क्या सताएगी शिद्दत प्यास की मुझे, पत्थर से पानी निचोड़ने का हुनर जानता हूं मैं। This is your capacity. You are here for a very vibrant purpose. And as a warrior, रोज अपने आप को अटेंड करेंगे, क्योंकि बहुत लोग आपको ये कहेंगे आप कर नहीं पाएंगे। The global challenges are immense, but that is what the warriors are meant for. When the going gets tough, the tough get going. That is what you are meant for. And before I sum up, I will say just one thing. Another lines from Lucknow, जो आपकी शान में पंकज साहब, निशान जी आपकी शान में, क्षमा को यानी कैंडल को, क्षमा को एहसास फर्ज की दहलीज पे रोशन रखें, जिससे जिल्लत के अंधेरों से मुलाकात ना हो। Let the flame of duty burn at your gates, so no negativity comes inside and tries to impact you. And as a warrior, and one who has the privilege of rubbing shoulders the best of the warriors, मैं आपसे निवेदन करूंगा कि 3 लाइन मेरे साथ रिपीट करेंगे और बार बार रिपीट करेंगे, क्योंकि राक्षसों की, असुरों की, भूत प्रेतों की ये प्रवृत्ति होती है, आप ऐसे पवित्र आत्माओं को कुप्रभावित करें। लेकिन जहां तक पंकज धारकर साहब, जब तक हम लोग हैं, किसी की मजाल नहीं कि आपकी तरफ आंख उठा के देखें। पहली लाइन, आई एम अ विनर, आई कैन डू इट, गॉड इज बाय माई साइड, मे गॉड ऑलवेज ब्लेस योर पाथ, परमात्मा सारी खुशियां दे, ट्रू टू माई वर्ड, आई एम लीविंग 10 minutes बिफोर माई टाइम एंड ensuring that the global warming is my small contribution to this. Thank you always. Thank you very much.
Wow. What an energy, sir. Sorry. What an energy. What an energy. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you. Sir, I request Dr. R. Sarvanan and Vijay Bhai to come on the stage to felicitate, sir. Please. Sir, please. Let's have a round of applause, please, for the sir. Vijay Panchal ji, please. I also want to highlight here, so Vijay Bhai, he is the one who taken this 2,000 delegation in this conference, and he is the person day and night. So I want the big applause for the Vijay Bhai Panchal. Thank you so much, sir. Sir, please. Raja, congratulations. So. I also request Dharkar Saab, please join on the stage. I want that Vijay Bhai should be felicitated because he is the person, all of us getting daily all the chapters from India and abroad also. He took initiative, so I want, he should be felicitated on the stage, please.